Hello students, so I'm here again with another video from chapter solid state part 3. Why part 3? Because I was unable to complete the whole topics in previous video. So in this video we are going to continue like formula of compound. We'll try to derive the formula, then calculate packing efficiency and derive the formula of density of a unit cell. Now let us try to derive first the formula of compound from the given questions. So according to the question, so B, okay, it's form HCP. So HCP and CCP both have coordination 12. So we can say that the efficiency, packing efficiency of the both as same, right? And those of the element A occupy 2/3 of the tetrahedral void, and from this information you need to find out the formula of the compound. Now since element B form HCP. Now in HCP, so let us consider, let the number of B as n. So HCP, CCP ma if the number of particle n भयो भने octahedral void कति हुन्छ n, and what about the tetrahedral void? Double 2n हुन्छ हैन. So therefore the number of tetrahedral void is equal to 2n. ठिकै छ. Now के भन्दैछ question मा? So A occupy 2/3 of tetrahedral void, right? Tetrahedral void. Now तिम्रो A ले occupy गर्छ 2/3 portion of your tetrahedral void, which is 2n. भनेपछि कति occupy गर्दैछ position? 4/3n. ठिकै छ. So therefore what would be the number of A element? Number of A element. तिम्रो जतिवटा पोजिसन लान्छ त्यतिवटा अब कतिवटा तिम्रो त्यतिवटा नम्बर अफ योर ए हुन्छ, ओके हैन. सो नम्बर अफ ए एलिमेन्ट हुन्छ 4n/3. अब तिम्रो 10वटा चेयर छ, चेयर राइट, 10वटा नै अक्युपाई भयो भन्नुको मतलब अब प्रोभाइडेड ई चेयरमा एकजना मान्छे बस्छ भन्नुको मतलब टोटल कतिवटा भयो, हाउ मेनी पर्सन आर देयर? 10, ओके हैन. सो जति अक्युपाई गर्छ त्यतिवटा नम्बर हुन्छ. So number of element A is 4n/3. So formula निकाल्दाखेरि, so every time your empirical formula निकाल्दाखेरि every time you need to take the ratio of your atoms, हैन. So number of A atoms is to number of B atoms. कति आउँछ? So A छ तिम्रो 4/3n is to n, हैन. So B कति छ? n छ. So यो दुईटा क्यान्सल हुन्छ. So you can write this as 4:3. Therefore formula कति हुन्छ? So formula of compound हुन्छ तिम्रो A कतिवटा छ? A 4 and B कति? 3. So this is the required formula of a compound. Now next let us discuss about packing efficiency. So I've come up with this term in the previous video also, right? So packing efficiency, it's nothing but it is the percentage of the space occupied by your atom. Our percent कति percent चाहिँ तिम्रो एटमले स्पेस अक्युपाई गर्छ. सो द्याट इज वर्ड कल हामी प्याकिङ एफिसियन्सी. सो हामीले स्क्वायर क्लोज प्याकिङ इन 3 डाइमेन्सन पर युनिट सेलमा कतिवटा उयो पार्टिकल हुन्छ भन्यो. what is the coordination number in square close packing? 6. What is the coordination number in your HCP or CCP? It is 12. So that means जति बेसी coordination number हुन्छ त्यति बेसी crowding हुन्छ र जति बेसी crowding हुन्छ means त्यति ज्यादा space खान्छ, right? So that means तिम्रो HCP is more efficient than that of your that simple cubic lattice or square close packing in 3 dimension. So the mathematical expression of packing efficiency, it is the volume occupied by atoms divided by total volume of unit cell into 100. Now let us try to calculate packing efficiency for different type of crystal structure. Now first let us try to calculate the packing efficiency in HCP or CCP. Both are equally efficient as because both have the same coordination number. Now CCP ma bhaneko cha each unit cell will be the face centered unit cell. Now face centered unit cell ma ke huncha, the atoms will be lying at the corners and at the face center. Chawda mai huncha, but for your simplicity, for your convenient, I've just drawn the atoms at the corners and at this face center only. Okay, sir. Now let us consider. So let the edge length of unit cell, let it be denoted by A. Then it's a and जहिले पनि atomलाई pair भन्छ, and the radius of each atom or the constituent particle. So let this be denoted by small r. Now what is volume? What is okay, sir. Volume of a unit cell. So this is a cube, and edge length is A. भनेपछि के हुन्छ, cube को volume A cube, हैन? So त्यसरी नै volume of one sphere, volume of one atom or an atom कति हुन्छ? It is a sphere and volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Now in face centered unit cell, what is the total number of atom? Total number of particle present? Total number of particle or atom present, we have already calculated, it is 4. Face centered एउटा unit cell मा कतिवटा हुन्छ? 4टा atom हुन्छ. Therefore volume of 4 atoms कति हुन्छ? It is equal to 4 into 4/3 pi r cube, which is equal to 16/3 pi r cube. Okay, sir. Now what is packing efficiency? Again, a formula लेखेको छ, efficiency. So it is equal to volume occupied by atoms, एउटा छ कि दुईटा छ कि तीनटा छ, accordingly divided by volume of unit cell, total volume of a unit cell into 100. So what is volume of atom? यता कति रहेछ? 4 जना, 4 जनाको कति रहेछ? It is 16/3 pi r cube divided by unit cell A cube into 100. Okay, sir. Now you need to have the relation of these two in order to get the value of packing efficiency. अब यो दुई जनाको relationship हामीले यो figure पर पाउँछ. If you join the corners AB, you will get two right angle triangle. Right? Now in right angle triangle ABC, so let this be equation 1. ABC हामीले के लेख्न सक्छ? Pythagoras theorem, हैन? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, na यो र यो. Now what is AB? It's edge length, र edge length कति हो भनेको छ हामीले? A. So A square, and what is BC? Again this is edge length A square. Now what is AC in terms of R? Na? So now यो के हो? This is यहाँदेखि यहाँसम्म means this is radius. Yeah, there is center, यहाँदेखि यहाँ radius हो, यो पनि यहाँदेखि radius हो, and this is again radius. So how many radius ले यो तिम्रो AC बनेको छ? 4, right? So AC is your 4r whole square. So what you can write? Is equal to 2a square. भनेपछि, so you square, when you cancel it, so what you are going to get? 4r equal to 2 root 2a. भनेपछि r कति पाउँछ या a कति पाउँछ? A is equal to 4 divided by root 2r, हैन? So which is equal to, cancel, rationalize गर्दाखेरि 2 root 2 r. So a is equal to, you will get 2 root 2 r. So this relation you need in other type of calculation. यो एकदम याद गर्नुपर्छ. So हामीले के पायो? So a equal to 2 root 2. Now substitute this value in equation 1. So हामीले के पाउँछ? So packing efficiency, what was the equation 1? So packing efficiency equal to 16 by 3 pi r cube by a cube into 100. Right? So अब a cube को value हाल्दियो, substitute गरिदियो. So 3 pi r cube divided by 2 root 2 r whole cube into 100. Right? So after calculation and all, so you will get answer approximately 74%. So packing efficiency, okay, of FCC or CCP HCP crystal structure is 74%. Now let us try to calculate the packing efficiency in body-centered cubic structure. Okay, now what is body-centered cubic unit cell? There will be atoms at the corners and at the body center. Right? Now, so let us take this structure into consideration for simplicity. Again, we'll start with the considering the H length. So let the H length of unit cell let it be A, हैन? त्यसरी नै रेडियस कति लिनु पर्यो? रेडियस R, हैन? त्यसरी नै नाउ के हुन्छ भोल्युम of a unit cell? It's a cube. So volume huncha a cube, right? Similarly, volume of an atom. Yeutako kati huncha volume? It's a sphere. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now in BCC, right? So what is the number of atom present per unit cell? Per unit cell is equal to 2. Therefore, per unit cell, okay. So therefore, volume of 2 atoms कति हुन्छ तिम्रो? 8 by 3 pi r cube. Now what is packing efficiency? So packing efficiency is your volume occupied by 2 atoms, जुन चाहिँ छ 4 by 3 pi r cube, divided by volume of a unit cell, which is a cube, into 100. So let this be equation 1. Well, now again we need to get the relationship between A and AR in order to get the packing value of this packing efficiency. Well, now for this, let us join by यो एउटा तिम्रो A हो corner, यो opposite corner हो, and these at the body center. Now let us join this A and F. Now what is A and F? By body diagonal, say. So in order to know the value of A, F, by यो भयो तिम्रो, this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, and this is your base. By अब AF को लागि you need to calculate the value of DF. So DF को लागि first find out the value of DF. So in triangle, right angle triangle, DFC or E कुनै पनि एउटा ल्याऊ. Okay, DFE. Now what is DF? DF is your hypotenuse, right? So DF square equal to EF square plus ED square. हैन? So यो भनेको EF र ED. Now what is EF? This is H length, this is H length. So A square plus A square and DF square. You need this value. So कति भयो? 2A square. ठीक है sir? So again now, again from triangle, right angle triangle, AFD. What is AF? AF is hypotenuse, so AF square equal to AD square plus DF square, right? Now what is AD? This is H length. A square plus DF भर्खर पाएको छ हामीले 2A square. And what is AF in terms of R? So यहाँ भयो यो आधा स्पेयर डल्लै स्पेयर आधा स्पेयर so this is r या 2r छ या r again AF is your 4r square whole square भयो so 3a square हैन. Now what is a square? Now you just cancel this root square root. What you are going to get? So 2r 4r equal to root 3 किनभने a को square root is a 3 को square root is root 3 र a square को a हैन. So the r कति हुन्छ then a हुन्छ तिम्रो 4 by root 3r. So you can write this as a equal to 4 by 3 root 3r. So this is another relationship. Now, so you need to substitute. Okay, I'll do it in another page. Now again, substitute a equal to 4 by 3 root 3r in equation 1. So your equation 1 efficiency. Kati cha equation 1 was 8 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube. Now a cube kati ho ya 4 by 3 root 3 r whole cube multiplied by 100. Now on calculation, you will get packing efficiency approximately as 68%. Efficiency for bordered centered cubic structure. For hexagonal, how much we have got? HCP or CCP 74. So यता हामीले body centered मा कति पायो 68. So between the two which is more efficient? कति जग्गा चाहिँ space ज्यादा atom ले occupy गरेको छ in HCP. Similarly, we can calculate packing efficiency for simple cubic unit structure, okay, and for that cubic lattice. So and the packing efficiency you can try it, it's very easy to calculate, try gara and janena bhane we'll again discuss. Bhayo packing efficiency bhayo of simple cubic lattice timro auncha 54%. 54 after calculation 52.4% after calculation. Bhannuko matlab among the three type of packing or structure, which is most efficiently packed, HCP or CCP, and which is the least packed, it is your simple cubic lattice. Now next we'll try to derive the formula for density calculation involving unit cell dimension. Now density of a unit cell. What is density? It is, yes, volume mass by volume. For cubic lattice, हामीरो volume of unit cell अघि देखि नै हामी a cube बन्दैछ हैन. Now mass of unit cell, what is the what caused the mass of unit cell? So unit cell को mass हो because of atom present, okay na. Now तिम्रो mass of a unit cell हुन्छ number of atoms present into mass of single atom. Okay na. Now your number of atoms depend garcha the type of unit cell they have or the type of packing they have. And now what is mass of an atom? Euta atom ko mass kati ho? So euta atom ko mass ho, so तिमीले 11 मा गरेकै होला, it is molar mass divided by Avogadro number. होइन. So तिम्रो कति हुन्छ Avogadro number, what is it? It is 6.06 into 10 to the power 23 number. So if you divide molar mass by this, you will get mass of an atom. So therefore density कति हुन्छ? Density, so density mass of unit cell is number of atoms, so let that be denoted by Z into mass of an atom. हामीले अहिले भर्खर निकालेको छ molar mass, so let that be denoted by capital M divided by Avogadro number and volume of a unit cell जुन चाहिँ हामीले अघि देखि नै गर्दै आएको छ a cube. right? So this is the relationship between density. So density is generally denoted by rho. So rho equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na, where Z number of atoms and it depends on nature of unit cell. Okay, now where Z is your number of atoms and it depends on nature of unit cell. If it is BCC, कति हुन्छ 2. If it is FCC, यो हुन्छ 4. If it is simple, यो हुन्छ 1. M molar mass H length centimeter मा usually Na Avogadro 6.02 into 10 to the power 3 and density by gram per centimeter cube मा हुन्छ. Now let us try to solve one numericals related to density and all. Okay, so the question is an element with molar mass 2.7 molar mass is given, right? Kg mole inverse then forms a cubic unit cell with H length is given to you. What is 405 okay, picometer. Density is given 2.7 and you need to find out the nature of the unit cell, either FCC, BCC or simple cubic unit cell. Now what are given in the numericals? Question, what are given? So first write down all the given part. Given. So molar mass capital M is given, it is 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 2 kg mole inverse. Then H length is given, it is 405 picometer. Then density is given rho 2.7 into 10 to the power 3 kg meter inverse cube. Now you need to calculate the nature of cubic unit cell. So for that you need to find out is Z. Right, so Z. So अर्को Avogadro number, it is every time constant given into 10 to the power 23. ठीक है sir. Now what is rho? हामीलाई formula के याद छ? Rho is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. Now युनिटहरु हेर्नु भयो. सो सेन्टिमिटरमा हुँदा पनि हुन्छ, मिटरमा हुँदा पनि हुन्छ, बट मेक श्योर यहीमा चाहिँ तिम्रो होल आर इन लाइक सेम युनिट. जस्तो छ यो मिटर छ एन्ड दिस इज इन पिकोमिटर, कन्भर्ट दिस टु मिटर. है, सो मिटरमा व्हाट इज द रिलेसनशिप बिट्विन द टु? 501 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meter. So this you can write as 4.05 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Now substitute all the everything in your this equation. So paila z you need to calculate, so put this in right hand side. So z is equal to rho into a cube into na divided by m. By rho kati cha? Rho is 2.7 into 10 to the power 3. Your a is how much? 4.05 into 10 to the power minus 10 whole cube into Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 divided by molar mass 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 2. यो cancel भयो, यो माथि जान्छ, you do the calculation. सबै मल्टिप्लाई डिवाइड गर, प्र्याक्टिस गर, आफै गर, म्यानुअली गर. डोन्ट युज अर डोन्ट टेक हेल्प फ्रम द क्यालकुलेटर, किनभने जति पनि इक्जाम हुन्छ तिमीहरूले म्यानुअली गर्नुपर्छ. ओके, एन्ड एट द एन्ड यु विल गेट आन्सर लाइक 3.99 समथिङ एन्ड दिस यु क्यान राइट एप्रोक्सिमेटली एज 4. एन्ड कुन चाहिँ युनिट सेलमा चाहिँ 4 हुन्छ आन्सर, नम्बर अफ एटम. यस, फेस सेन्टर्ड होइन. So the nature unit cell is your face centered unit cell. Because it contain per unit cell, it contain 4 atom per unit cell. ठीक है सर. सो त्यसरी नै अरूहरु पनि गर्छ र. थ्यांक यू all.